Is it time to buy or sell Coca-Cola stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Coca-Cola. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Coca-Cola as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.5. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it evolves in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.98% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 18.98% to 24.83%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.5%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -4.53% and 17.03% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $66.76 and $81.84. Our latest daily update for Coca-Cola includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Coca-Cola as Stock Downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate." The Coca-Cola stock price experienced a decline of 4.44% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, dropping from $73.18 to $69.93 throughout that day. The stock fluctuated by 4.61%, reaching a low of $69.79 and a high of $73.01. Notably, the stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 1.83% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, volume surged by 5 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $73.95, while the lowest price was $57.93. Currently, the price stands 5.44%, or $4.02, below the 52-week high of $73.95, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Coca-Cola's stock has recently surged, reaching a 52-week high amid a challenging market influenced by geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties. This momentum stems from a remarkable 15% gain in the first quarter of 2025, as investors flocked to safer assets, particularly in light of a potential new tariff program. The stock price increases highlight Coca-Cola's resilience, positioning it favorably in the consumer staples sector, especially as market volatility prompts investors to seek stability. Additionally, analysts have identified Coca-Cola as a strong buy, with its appeal reinforced by the company's reputation and consistent dividend payout. This endorsement from Wall Street suggests sustained investor interest, which may further drive up stock prices in the short term. As Coca-Cola continues to be a vital player in the market, its growth not only provides a buffer against economic downturns, but also reflects a long-term investment opportunity. The current climate favors established companies with maintained dividend yields, signaling to investors that Coca-Cola could be a reliable hedge. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned KO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies gave KO a buy rating along with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, it was noted that Bank of America Securities rated KO as buy with a hold action. Also on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, Jefferies assigned KO a hold rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated KO as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Coca-Cola stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Coca-Cola. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. Currently, Coca-Cola holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $71.29 and $70.40. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 4.44%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Tuesday, the 28th of January, 2025, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This event is quite rare and is often followed by prolonged and significant gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 33 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola finds support from accumulated volume at $67.60. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.22 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.61%. In the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 2.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Coca-Cola, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 72 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Coca-Cola. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coca-Cola is at $70.19. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Coca-Cola faces its first support level at $67.60. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Coca-Cola from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Millhiser Amity made an insider purchase of 44,220,825 shares of phantom share units. On the 1st of April 2025, Lagomasino Maria Elena made an insider purchase of 40,531,097 shares of phantom share units. On the 1st of April, 2025, Weinberg David B. made an insider purchase of 44,723,969 shares of phantom share units. On the 1st of April, 2025, Say Carolyn J. made an insider purchase of 40,531,097 shares of phantom share units. On the 1st of April, 2025, Gaynor Thomas Sinnickson made an insider purchase of 40,531,097 shares of phantom share units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive. With a ratio of approximately 39.955, in total, insiders acquired 3,349,385 shares while selling 1,549,066 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Coca-Cola stock a good buy? The Coca-Cola stock holds several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Coca-Cola will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of April, we expect Coca-Cola to open higher by 98 cents, starting at $70.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.